Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll discuss or we'll solve this question step by step. This question is from AP Calculus AB Review. Okay, let's start. So the first step, okay, here is the question now. The function is given, or f of x is x squared plus 2x. Okay, and then you are asked to find derivative of f of ln of x. So the first step, we need to find what is f of ln of x. Means we need to express the given function f of x in terms of what? Ln of x. If ln of x means what? Express all the x's in the function in f by ln of x. Therefore, here x squared will be replaced by ln of x squared, and this 2x will be replaced by ln of x. So if you do so, then we'll get what? Ln of x the whole square plus 2 ln of x. Then the next step, we need to find derivative of f of ln of x. Okay, how do you find derivative of f of ln of x? So the first step, we need to apply chain rule here. Okay, then derivative of this one, applying chain rule, it will be what? Ln of 2 ln of x, because we have the power of 2, and then derivative of the inside part. This inside part is what? Ln of x. Derivative of ln of x is what? 1 over x. Then the next will be what? Derivative of 2 ln of x. Since 2 is constant, multiplying by constant, it will be what? As it is, you will bring the constant 2, and then you need to find derivative of ln of x. What is derivative of ln of x? It will be what? 1 over x. Hence, we have the same denominator. Therefore, we can rewrite this one as 2 ln of x plus 2 over x. Done. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for you will receive updated information and also what? For the growth of my channel. Thank you so much. Sharing is caring. That's why I would like to share with you guys. So don't forget to share. Thank you.